Want to enable sensitive content on Instagram on iOS or Android? In this video, I will show you how. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you find the option of Content Preferences. You should find this under the What You See section. Now select that. After that, select Sensitive Content. Now by default, it is selected to less. If you want to see some sensitive content, select Standard. Tap on Confirm. Now if you want to see more sensitive content, select More, then tap on Confirm. In this way, you can easily enable sensitive content on Instagram on both iOS or Android. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.